Wisecrack, and it's a place where we give you the latest windshield repair news, exclusive offers, tips, tricks, and much more. So let's get it. Happy April and welcome. It's our hope, wish, and prayer that everyone is healthy, staying safe, and crushing their goals. Drop us a comment below and let us know how you're making out and if you got anything going on this month. Here's what's happening with us for the month of April. On the 9th, we're in Spokane, Washington, so if you're in the area and want to meet up, send us a message and we'll make it happen. On April 15th, we're having a one-day training class in Eugene, Oregon. We cover all the technical aspects of windshield repair. This class will significantly reduce the learning curve associated with windshield repair and increase your confidence. So if you want to learn from the best, take your repair quality to the next level, and get certified, hit us up so you can join us. Our training classes are second to none. They're always action-packed and full of information. Did you know we have a new headlight restoration coating? That's right, we have a new exclusive Infinity coating. It's one part, so there's no need for any mixing. That's right, no mixing. It's easy to apply and the formulation is self-leveling. It dries very quickly, creating a hard, durable finish which has excellent bonding strength to resist peeling. The coating is water-based, non-hazardous, non-toxic, environmentally friendly, and can be shipped anywhere in the world. Now here's some more good news about it. We're going to put it on sale this month for 20% off. That's right, you can get our new Infinity one-part coating for 20% off during the whole month of April. Also, let me tell you about our trade-in program. You can trade in your old gear regardless of its brand and get 40% off towards the purchase of a new item. So increase your productivity, save some time, and most importantly, save money. For more details, visit deltakits.com or contact us. If you're finding value in this video, be a friend and tell a friend, and don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button. Did you know when you have questions, we have answers? Because we have an Ask an Expert feature on our website. Here's an example of a recent question. Which resin would be ideal for hot weather temperatures and moisture? South Texas heat can be crucial. When it comes to doing repairs in Texas, any of our resins will work, but my preference is our Magna Bond or Premium Bond resins. They have a 15 to 20 CPS, so they will flow easily into any type of break. In hot temps, you have to be mindful of the glass temperature. Our recommended temperature range is 70 to 100 degrees. And pressure. Too much pressure will cause flouring and delamination. So anytime you have a question, check out our website because it's full of content, or hit us up because we offer unlimited free technical support. And remember, there's no such thing as a dumb question. With that being said, we want to be mindful of your time and come to a stopping point. But before we get out of here, we want to thank you for watching, and here's a little motivation for the rest of the month.